Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Those of you who follow me would have realized that I like to experiment with food. And sometimes when you are experimenting, things do not go right. That does not mean that it has to go into the bin. If you're willing to experiment a little more, you can turn it into a very tasty and innovative dish. So if you're interested, please watch what I have done. And if you like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I had some Panipuri Nuggets which you normally fry to form panipuris. However, to make it healthy, I decided to put it in the air fryer, and you can see it has become dark and not puffed up well. I have kept a fried panipuri in the middle for you to compare and see what has happened. I don't like throwing away food, so I kept it in the box thinking what I should do. I decided to powder it and use it in a different recipe. I have used a bowl to do it, but it will be easier to put it in a mixer. Heat 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan and chop some almonds and cashew nuts in it. Saute till they start changing color. Then add the dark raisins and saute for further 1 minute. Then transfer it into a bowl. Finally slice the banana in the same pan, followed by the strawberries. Then saute till they become soft. Once they have become soft, add jaggery and again saute till the jaggery all melts. At this stage, add the powdered panipuri that you have prepared and mix till mixture becomes thickened. Add further half teaspoon of ghee and mix well. This allows the mixture not to stick to the pan. Then add the shallow fried dry fruits, mix well and allow the mixture to become thickened. Turn off the flame and add the cardamom, nutmeg and cinnamon powder and some dried cranberries. Then transfer to serving bowl, garnish with further cranberries and serve the delicious dessert.